Hello, Hawaii. We're at the Outrigger Waikiki Beach Hotel with a nice oceanfront room. Here at the beach, just wetting our feet in the water. Back chilling on the balcony before we head out to the Friday evening fireworks sale. The fireworks is happening at the Hilton Hawaiian Hotel. We'll have the finale that's starting up. Good morning. Here we are in Honolulu. We're getting ready to go on the heli ride here. A nice and beautiful beach out here. And a even cuter Jimpy. Stop by the Kona Coffee to grab a couple croissants and lattes. And stop by this nice old tree in the middle of the international marketplace right across our hotel to grab some nice pictures. We're at the helipad doing the doors off tour. The F-22 Raptor is landing at the nearby military base. We're ready to start the helicopter tour. Just off the airport is the cruise ship port in downtown Honolulu. This is the Magic Island and Ala Moana area with boat launch harbor. This is the world famous Honolulu Waikiki beach. There's a lot of popular beachfront hotels, including the one that we're staying at. This is the Diamond Head crater. It's a 30-minute hike up to the top lookout point. This is Hanuma Bay Park with good beach and snorkeling. This is the start of the famous Stairway to Heavens hike on Oahu that leads up to the old military radio station up there that's seen. It's about 4,000 steps up to the top. It is illegal, but people still climb up there regularly, and there's people waving up there that we saw. This is the Kaneohe Sand Bay area with a good snorkeling and chilling spot. This is the Kualoa Ranch where Jurassic Park and Jumanji and other popular Hollywood movies are filmed. These are the cascading Sacred Falls, only seen by helicopters now. We're going toward the North Shore now and just passing over the Kahuku dirt bike tracks. This is the famous Sunset Beach with a lot of good waves and surfing areas. This is Sharks Cove with good snorkeling and slowly approaching the Waimea Bay National Park and small hike up there that takes you to nice waterfalls. This is the Dole Plantation with the pineapple shaped maze. We're circling into the Pearl Harbor area. First up is Battleship Missouri Memorial. We can slowly see the oil leak from the original Battleship Arizona that was sunk, and there is a monument that's created on top of the original ship that can be still seen. Hello. Hi. Back yet again at the hotel for the sunset. Enjoy the day with the helicopter tour and everything. It's time for the sunset. We're starting the bus tour today with a visit to the Pearl Harbor Memorial Site, and there's the national anthem playing in the background. We walked inside by the water area at Pearl Harbor, a nice walkway that leads up to the anchor for USS Arizona. This is the submarine memorial with the torpedo. This memorial has the road map that led us into World War II. This is the recreation of Japanese airplane that attacked Pearl Harbor. This is the original armor-piercing bomb that the Japanese airplanes used. We're on the naval boat ride to the USS Arizona Monument. We're approaching the entrance to the memorial. This leads to one of the bunkers where some of the oil tanks are located. This is the bulkhead area and where the original bombs had hit. We're going into the actual memorial where names of the sailors that were on the ship are written down. This is the other side of the memorial and some more oil slicks. We're waiting on a boat ride back to the harbor, and Janka is doing her hairstyle and was looking at my sunglasses to adjust her pins there. We're back on the boat and going to the tour bus, and nice little view around the side. Jampy and I are walking into the Dole Plantation, and this small train that takes you around the plantation. Waves seem nice and big. People attempting to surf here quite a bit. We're at the ranch here where a lot of the Jurassic Park and other movies were filmed. This is the Byodo Inn Buddhist Monastery. A nice peaceful area here with a lot of fishes in the ponds and some peacocks around the gardens. Nice and relaxing. People taking some pictures outside for their wedding by the waterfall on the side. And Alok and Janki ringing the gong. This is the Nepali lookout area. Apparently this is where the king of Hawaii pushed off a bunch of people that lost in the war. It's a nice little area, and people do climb up the hills over there to go to an even taller lookout point. Good morning. We're ready to check out here from Honolulu. Another beautiful day with a nice view. Off to breakfast and then get some bubble tea and some almond croissants and then off to the airport.